So now that we know how to create a root and how to create a function, it's time to learn how to make requests. So to make requests, we need to import, first of all, we need here to say import, and then we need to import the requests module. So I'm going to say here import and then requests. And then this requests will allow me to make requests and get data from any API service. So to use this requests in the function, instead of returning hello, I'm gonna remove this return, and then instead I'm gonna make a request. So I'm gonna say here requests, and then I'm gonna say dot get. So here we need to pass a URL, and for now I don't have a URL yet, so I'm gonna leave this empty, and I need to get a URL. So for now I'm just gonna store the result in a variable called response, and then I'm gonna return the response, but I'm gonna convert the response into text because this is gonna return a response in a raw format, and we cannot display it in the browser like this. We need to convert it into JSON or text. So I'm gonna convert it into text, and then I'm gonna save and run. I'm gonna head on over to the browser to run, and now in the browser, if I refresh, nothing is gonna happen. As you can see, it's gonna return an error because here it says requests.exceptions missing schema because I did not pass anything. So we need to get a URL, an API service, and I'm going to be showing you how to get a service, how to get an API, how to register for an API service and get data from that service.